Hi, I'm Dr. Helen Schultz. I'm a consultant psychiatrist and an expert medico-legal examiner. What does that all mean? Well, let me break it down for you. First and foremost, I'm a doctor with further qualifications in psychiatry, which is a specialty branch of medicine. I'm not a psychologist, and I do more than prescribe medications. I'm a medical expert skilled in the assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of mental illnesses. This may be the first time you have met a psychiatrist. I've prepared this video for you so you understand a bit more about what I do and why your lawyer has asked you to see me. Your lawyer has referred you to me for an independent medico-legal assessment because as part of your claim for compensation, they want to determine if you have sustained a permanent injury as a consequence of the event, incident, or abuse. At the assessment, which usually goes for about 2 hours, I will ask you lots of questions about many different aspects of your life, as well as details of the event, the incident, or the abuse. I'm doing this to see if there has been a psychological injury as a result of the incident, event, or abuse. In psychiatry, these injuries lead to symptoms that make up a diagnosis. This may be something like post-traumatic stress disorder or major depressive disorder. When you pursue a claim for compensation, you must display medical evidence of an impairment related to the event, incident, or abuse that is generally permanent. Although something may have happened to you that is deeply upsetting and you feel you cannot get over it, this must be established, and that's my role when I assess you and prepare a report. When I finish the report, I send it on to your lawyer directly. You can have access to your report via your lawyer. And as my role is that of an independent medical expert, I'm unable to see you after the assessment at any time, and I can't give you any medical advice. You may already be seeing a psychiatrist and wondering, why can't they do this assessment? They can do what is called a treating doctor's report, and your lawyer may request that if they deem that's relevant. But a medical practitioner cannot be both a treating doctor and an independent expert. Your treating doctor, such as your GP or your psychiatrist, is responsible for your care and your treatment on an ongoing basis. My duty is to the courts and the legal process to provide information that will decide the outcome of your claim. The only way I can assess you is if your lawyer refers you to me. I can't accept referrals directly from people pursuing any sort of claim, and I no longer work in clinical practice.